Good day. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive detailing, specifically focusing on interior car care. Maintaining a clean and well-protected interior not only enhances the driving experience, but also preserves the value of your vehicle. To that end, we'll be reviewing the Armor All Multi-Pack, a comprehensive solution aimed at achieving just that. We'll be examining its components, ease of use, and ultimately its effectiveness. Let's get started. Welcome back to AI Tech Bundle. The Armor All Multi-Pack, as linked in the description below, offers a convenient all-in-one approach to interior detailing. This particular pack includes 4 key components: cleaning wipes designed to lift dirt and grime, protectant wipes formulated to guard against fading and cracking from UV exposure, glass wipes specifically designed for streak-free window cleaning, and a detailer spray for those finishing touches. This combination aims to address a wide range of interior cleaning needs, from removing daily dust to providing long-term protection. Now, let's put these products to the test. First, we'll use the cleaning wipes on a section of the dashboard. Notice how the textured wipe effectively lifts away the accumulated dust. The wipe is pre-moistened and easy to handle, making application straightforward. Next, we'll apply the protectant wipes to the same area. The goal here is to create a barrier against harmful UV rays. The wipes leave a noticeable sheen, which some may find desirable. Moving on to the windows, the glass wipes claim to offer streak-free cleaning. As you can see, they do a respectable job of removing fingerprints and light smudges, leaving a relatively clear surface. However, for heavier grime, you may still need a dedicated glass cleaner. Finally, we have the detailer spray. This product is intended to add a finishing touch and enhance the overall appearance. After applying all 4 products, the interior of the vehicle demonstrates a noticeable improvement. The surfaces are cleaner, the dashboard has a protective sheen, and the windows are clearer. While the cleaning power of the individual wipes might not be as potent as dedicated cleaning solutions, the convenience of the all-in-one pack makes it a worthwhile option for regular maintenance and quick touch-ups. In conclusion, the Armor All Multi-Pack offers a practical and convenient solution for maintaining a clean and presentable car interior. While it may not be a substitute for professional detailing or tackle heavily soiled surfaces, its ease of use and protective properties make it a valuable addition to any car owner's cleaning arsenal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more automotive reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your own experiences with car detailing products. Until next time.